A comprehensive OPRA exam guide for Australian pharmacists. The OPRA exam ensures overseas pharmacists meet Australian standards. Passing the OPRA exam is the first step toward provisional registration. The OPRA exam replaces KAPS with a shorter, streamlined format. Key changes include updated content, refined scoring, and reduced cost. The exam has a single paper, 2.5 hours, and 120 multiple-choice questions. The official OPRA syllabus focuses on updated content areas. Practice mock exams to improve time management and speed. Refer to trusted guides like AMH and Goodman and Gilman for preparation. Sample papers help familiarize you with the exam format and scoring. Scenario-based learning prepares you for real-world pharmacy challenges. Passing the OPRA exam brings you closer to becoming a registered pharmacist. Elite Expertise offers guidance for OPRA preparation and beyond. Contact Elite Expertise to start your journey toward Australian registration.